What to do if the fasteners jam in tooth? There are three main reasons for the problem of steel nail gun jamming. One is that the gun nozzle is damaged. Secondly, the front end of the firing pin is uneven. Thirdly, the nails are not up to standard. First, open the back cover of the steel nail gun. Remove the aluminum cap, upper air guide valve, floating valve pressure spring and floating valve. Knock out the cylinder. You can see that the front end of the firing pin is already uneven. It will cause the problem of jamming pins. Just replace the firing pin with a new one. The inside of the cylinder and the rubber ring of the cylinder should be coated with oil. Brush lubricating oil on the firing pin rubber ring. Install the firing pin back into the cylinder. Elongated firing pin. Then put the cylinder back into the gun body. Be careful not to install the firing pin upside down. The firing pin is divided into flat and chamfered surfaces. The chamfered surface should face towards the inside of the gun nozzle. Press it down with your hands. The rubber ring of the swimming valve is also coated with lubricating oil. Put on the pressure spring of the floating valve. Put this aluminum cap again. Brush lubricating oil on the rubber ring on the aluminum cap. Then place the air guide valve. Note that the sizes of the two ends of the air guide valve are not the same. We will put the small one inside. Press and hold the air guide valve by hand, replacing the back cover. Then tighten the screws. Next, let's explain that the nozzle is damaged. How to replace the gun nozzle. First, take out the two screws here. After dismantling, we will replace this new gun nozzle. There are two screw holes on the nozzle here. Just align the two holes on the nail groove. First, screw in the first screw a little bit. Screw in the second screw a little bit too. After screwing it in, push this gun nozzle this way and flatten it. After flattening it, first screw in some screws. Slowly screw in the second screw and tighten it. Then tighten the first screw. After installation, let's double check if the gun nozzle is properly installed. Install a row of nails into the nail slot. Slowly slide the nail over. If it's easy to slide over, it means that the muzzle of this gun is installed correctly. If the nail gets stuck at the muzzle of the gun here, so it means that the nozzle is not properly installed. We need to loosen the two screws just now. Make secondary adjustments until the nail can smoothly pass through the nozzle area. After installation, just put the nail slot back on the gun body. After the repair is completed, we install the nails. Check whether nailing is smooth.